Top 10 Fast Motorbikes by Appa Apps. This game teaches you to recognise 10 of the fastest and most iconic motorbikes in commercial production.
Honda CBR 1100 XX.
Now you have to choose the right photo. Well, I think this is the Honda.
Honda CBR 1100 XX.
Yes, it is. And if I want to hear that name again, I swipe.
Honda CBR 1100 XX.
Lovely, what a beautiful machine. Tap to continue.
Kawasaki Ninja ZX11.
Now, as the game advances, you have more photos from which to choose. I think this is the Kawasaki.
That's MV Agusta F4 1000 R312.
Right, that's the MV Agusta. Okay.
Kawasaki Ninja ZX11.
Well, this must be the Kawasaki Ninja then. Tap.
Kawasaki Ninja ZX11. MV Agusta.
And this is the MV Agusta.
R312.
Good. Tap to continue.
BMW S1000 RR.
Well, that's the Honda, so this is the BMW, I'm sure. Yes.
BMW S1000 RR.
Another lovely looking machine. Now, if I draw a bracket on the screen, it takes me into facts. And I can learn about the BMW, and you can draw a bracket for all of the motorbikes.
Ducati 1098R.
Golly, that's difficult. Both red bikes. Let's try this one.
Ducati 1098R.
Now, if I draw an S on the screen, it starts race mode. And now I have to race through the photos as fast as I can.
Suzuki Hayabusa.
Correctly identifying them. I think it's this one.
Honda CBR 1100 XX.
I think it's that one.
BMW S1000 RR.
It's really not very easy.
Kawasaki Ninja
Kawasaki Ninja.
ZX14.
Golly, I don't know. Try this one.
Suzuki GSX R1000.
The Suzuki.
Kawasaki Ninja.
Kawasaki
ZX11.
Ninja. Ooh. Let's try this one.
MV Agusta.
Ooh, got it right.
F4 1000
Ah,
R312.
try that? No.
That's the Suzuki Hayabusa.
Ah, that's the Hayabusa. Now, I made a mistake, so the race is now over, and it takes me to the race results, so I can look to see what my last best time was. If I want to see those race results again, then I draw a backwards S. And there we are. I can refer to those results at any time. Tap to continue. Now, if I draw a question mark on the screen, it takes me into